Hello fans, how are you? Today I bring hot news about Barcelona negotiations, but before that, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, help us grow. With Barcelona desperately trying to adjust their wage bill to meet the financial fair play regulations, player sales will become key to their objective. And, as per Javi Miguel of AS, the two players who are most likely to leave in the summer, as things stand, are Ansu Fati and Ferran Torres. In Fati's case, it is being claimed that Barcelona have given his agent Jorge Mendes the green light to bring in offers worth €40 million for the forward. However, in Torres' case, the situation is not as straightforward. The 23-year-old joined Barcelona from Manchester City in January last year in a deal worth €55 million, with the Spaniard penning a contract until 2027. However, in his time at Spotify Camp Nou, Torres has not been convincing enough on a consistent basis. In 25 league games this season, the former Valencia ace has netted just 3 goals and set up 1 more. Given his poor form, Torres has been in and out, largely out of Xavi's starting sheet, while his stock has also taken a hit in the market. As a result, there is little to no chance of any club matching the €55 million Barca spent on his signing. However, Barcelona still have to amortize more than €40 million for Torres' signing. Any offer less than this fee would mean losses on the balance sheet. Hence, in order to find a way around this predicament, Barcelona are looking at all possible solutions. And one such option that they are considering is letting Ferran leave on loan with an option to buy. As things stand, all things point towards Fati or Ferran or both leaving Camp Nou in the summer, although their fellow attacker, Rafinha, will not be sold.